Hi, my name is Najla. I am Adobe Certified Expert and also instructor, also a freelancer, photographer, videographer, and also scriptwriter. I specialize in creative contents for digital platforms like social media accounts, YouTube, weddings, event, corporate, and also TV program.
8, 7, 6, 5, 6.
Editing is an essential part for telling stories for films, adverts, campaign, and also social media videos. There are many editing programs, but nothing like Adobe Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro works with all of the file types, and its simple tools allows you to work from one device anywhere in mobile. In this basic course, we learn about the professional workflows on how to edit a video. We'll create files, import projects, and also familiarize ourselves with the program interface and also workspace. Then we will learn sequences on how to use the program monitor and also viewer. We will learn more about the timeline and also how to add titles to your videos. Next, we will work on the keyframes and learn on how to manage the files inside the project. Then, we learn on how to manage masks and also create opacity within the videos. Next topics, we will learn on how to do color corrections and also color grading. After working with colors, we will learn on how to enhance sounds and sound mixings inside Adobe Premiere Pro. We will learn to apply the keyframes in audio, fade in, fade out the music. Lastly, before we end our course, we will learn on how to add presets and also export the videos. For this course, no previous knowledge is necessary, but any experience that related to Adobe program is so helpful. We will start from scratch and we will explore the program together. For the technical requirement, all you need is a computer with the Adobe Premiere Pro license or trial, both will do, and also a media encoder installed. You can enter as a beginner or intermediate level for this course. This course also for working professionals who are seeking to improve knowledge and also improve their workflow in this industry. Don't forget to join and see you.